My money habits have changed tremendously. I have learned money saved is money earned. I spend more mind how to invest, more respectful to my money rather than just spending it anywhere and all that. I spend mindfully and I invest mindfully. Oh, that definitely would be discipline. System and discipline, consistency can take you to new heights where you just cannot even think, you cannot even imagine what discipline can bring to your life. That is again one thing which you will never ever find somewhere else in any other course. I have done plenty things here and there, but this kind of hand holding and execution of the knowledge, which generally is not there in other courses, you just learn and that information is with you and you're just lost what to do with that information. With coach, that hand holding is such that he actually guides you through every step and he answers to your queries, to your doubts, and he's always there for you. So hand holding is just next level. Anyone can do this. Yes, I have seen females who were complete housewives who did not do any kind of work. They were like complete, we don't know, laptop se bhi hum itna familiar nahi hai. I have seen those girls changing during this period of 6 months कि बिल्कुल जो laptop से नहीं चला के now they're reading charts like pros. So yes, that makes a difference. And yes, family साथ करेंगे तो that is even more beautiful. You know, all the energies are aligned and everybody is doing the same work. So yes, definitely finance is something that family should manage together. Earlier it was mostly tips based, Instagram, TV news, all the noise. Now it is systematic, chart based, and it's based on the research and the data. Coach made a promise that by the end of the course you will be among top 5% of the planet. I cannot say about the planet, but yes, I am definitely at top 5% of my family, my friend circle. I'm definitely on top of that because the kind of conversations they have completely changed. That financial talks, that is the only thing. Even, the group we meet from the course, the girls they meet, they just don't talk anything random. They're talking stocks, they're talking finances, investment. So that's a beautiful change. Coach is one of the best teachers I have ever come across. The patience he has, so that makes a huge difference on the learning. His team is just great. Like every single person, especially Rachit, Ruchi and Kajal, I have, personally interacted with them. They're all really helpful, always there for you. Yes, they, just any time of the day, you just call them and they are there for you. Yes, I'm Aarti Garg and I am a businesswoman. I am into garment manufacturing and I had never done stocks in a systematic way. I just used to do a few things here and there with the tips and everything. So I came across one of my friends who had done this course base, and then she recommended and strongly recommended. I just enrolled and I saw the magic over 6 months. Yes, it changed my life. I did a few courses earlier as well, but it did not make as much difference as this one did. So I just loved this course, the coach, the learnings, the teachings, the team, everything. It was a beautiful change in my life. Yes, financial independence term बहुत आजकल easily use कर लेते हैं सब. Everybody wants financial independence, but there should be a structure to it, how to achieve that. So this course provides that. Yes.